JACKYLED 4-in-1 mode, up to 14 hours of runtime, solar path lights. Ultra bright 26 LEDs from 7 through 16 hours of runtime depending on the mode of the 2 kelvins you choose, 3000, 6000 of the 4 modes LED spotlights. Let's open this up, show you what you get inside the box. This is a 2-pack kit. When it shows into the sun, you have a green LED light that will show that it's charging. Allow it to charge for the first time before using it. You have the mode on and off switch. You have the area where you put the stake simply by pressing in with the Y shape. You can adjust the level of the solar panel and adjust the level of the light. When turning on for the first time to see if the light works, make sure at least the panel is covered. We're going to set the unit up outside and show you what it looks like. The options are in the ground or on the wall with the supplied hardware and the instructions that are included that you can check online for further details about your product. Find a spot on the wall and lock down. We're going to place ours back here, keeping it low. After the sun has charged it for a number of days, we're going to turn it on to the 6000 Kelvin at high. Then turn it to the 6000 at low, the 3000 Kelvin at high, and the 3000 Kelvin at low. The 6000 Kelvin at high, it shows you the amount of light it throws, bringing it to low. And then the 3000 Kelvin at high, and then at low. What we'll do is we'll bring this over to you so you can see the light throw. As you can see the light throw on the warm Kelvin at low, we'll bring it back to the 6000 Kelvin at high, 6000 at low, and then the warm Kelvin 3000 at high, and then at low. The solar powered spotlight dusk to dawn does a nice job lighting up the area. The area, if you want to put it to a tree by bringing it up high on a cool color or warm color, your choice. I hope you enjoy the product if this is right for you.